Hello, hello, it's me. For those who don't know who I am, my name is Julia. Others know me probably under the name Chaos Queen, but this is, well, not really important. I'm here to make my very first unboxing or unpackaging or however you want to call it, and yeah, I've never done this before, so please forgive me if I do or make or say anything what I don't know do not belong here. Anyway. Yes, today I got, well, not today, but a few days ago I got a lovely package from or by Bone and Dust Tower. Looks like this. Well, the package looked different though, but this is what I saw from the first time, and I already had a little teeny tiny sneak peek inside. And yes, I really don't want to talk a lot. I just want to show you the stuff because it's really pretty. So yeah. Okay. So yeah, we have the Bone and Dust Tower. Isn't it pretty? Yes. Oh. They have also, like, she put also like a teeny tiny I think this is too. Oh, there we go. So yeah, it's like jewelry care and stuff. Storage, clean and avoid. Storage, keep your jewelry somewhere clean and dry. For example, a jewelry box, a Ziploc baggie. I do not know how to pronounce that, I'm sorry. But anyway, also I'm really sorry if I do not look into the camera here, because I don't know. Yeah, look, I'm sorry guys. I'm not the most professional. Whatever, but anyway. Okay, so yeah, clean. Gently rub your jewelry with a lint-free cloth to restore luster. With iron wire jewelry you can add a dab of Vaseline or olive oil. Avoid. Tarnish can be caused by many things. To avoid when possible, or clean after contact. Body lotion and sunscreen. Perfume and hairspray. Bathing and swimming, hot tubs too. Heat, humidity, sweat. I mean, I would never wear my jewelry except for like maybe those because this is boring plastic. Like, I would never wear it to go to baths or something because this is stupid. But anyway. Oh yeah, also I think I should like say that this is not sponsored. I bought this with my own money. And yeah, just saying. I'm not a rich bitch. But I just love to have beauty jewelry, and I think the only stuff I really wear are like earrings or like I wanted to say chains, but that's probably wrong, but anyway. And I think we are moving here a little bit. I do not like this. Okay, so yeah, another pretty card. Oh, it is pretty. Here we have the first packaging. I think this is really cool. It's really cute. Really, I don't want to say easy because it is not easy, but it's simple, and I love simple stuff, especially when it comes to packaging. Alright, so the second one. So I have ordered three pieces, and the last one. Yes, it is really pretty. Ooh. I think, oh, I got a sticker. This is so nice. I love stickers. I really do. I have way too many of them, but just come a bit up here. Okay, I will start with the tiniest one. Just I don't know why. So yeah, let's open this. When you can like hear in the background Careless Whisper by George Michael. Don't help me. But yeah, it is really, really pretty actually. This is wow. Also, I love to reuse this stuff because this is really nice. Is it paper? I don't know if this is paper, then yeah. Then, wow, this is really good. I would never pack it like this because I'm not talented enough. My packages always look awful. So yeah, there we go with these ones. Ah, okay, we got this tiny thing, so it won't break. And here we go. Wow, they're really pretty. I think these are like also my coffin nails. I think you can say yeah. This is how they look. Wow. They are so lightweight. I would have expected them like much heavier, but they're not. And this is really, really cute. Let's get to the second one. Wait, the microphone's there. Yes. So here we have the second one, and we have already moved again. I think this is really annoying, like for me. Stop it, phone. Stop it. Okay. Ha. Yes. I mean, this is just really pretty. I really enjoy unpackaging this, like unpacking this. It's really, really nice. This is never ending. Ah, here's the second one. Wait. What? This really starts to confuse me. Like, ooh. Oh boy. I mean, I know what I've ordered, but I keep forgetting what I order. So this is like Christmas for me. Christmas in March. This is so pretty. Just look. Wow, very heavy. Yeah. I mean, obviously. But yeah. Wow, I'm really, really shocked. Just look. That's so super pretty. Focus. Super pretty. I already forgot what I've ordered, like this package here. I think this is like, yeah. There you go. What I also really enjoy is that they kind of arrived real quick. Oh my god. Wait, more? There's more? Why is there more? I thought I just ordered like... Why do I have two of them? I don't get that. Oh, I think I know why. Because my stupid ass thought that, because they were like, one, like in the description when you could choose the options was like, I think the size or something, and how many, and I thought there's just like one, so you have to buy two of them, so you have like a pair, you know, because I thought you buy single ones. That's what I bought two. Now I have two pairs. Okay. to my world. Yes, me stupid. I'm shocked. Okay, wait, let me show you. So there you go. They're super pretty. I really love the design. This is so simple. I love that. I just love that. I don't like too much. When you have like huge earrings and stuff, like really ding ding, you know, like the huge ones, like or like jewelry over here and there and stuff. It's cool for festivals and outfits, but I don't like that in my daily outfit, like on daily time. So oh, I actually prefer this. I'm gonna show you now how each pair of these like is working and like moving, and they're lightweight as well. I think the most heaviest ones are these. So yeah, let's have a look. Oh wow, this is super cute. This is really, really cute. Like, ooh, ooh, ooh. Look. I can't. Like, I can't. Can I punch myself? Yes. Okay. So yeah, these are really, really cute. I also forgot the name on these. I only know that like the smallest ones, these are the ones with like coffin nails. I forgot about these ones, but I'm gonna link them. I put the links in the description anyway. Yes. They're super lightweight and they're really, really cool. Oh, this is so awesome. Okay. Next ones. They're super lightweight. Oh wow. Oh. How? I think I found my newest, like my new favorite pair of all day, like daily working. I mean, I'm not working right now because quarantine time. Thank you, Corona. But anyway, they're really, really cute. This is, oh my god, I'm in love with them. Oh my god. Yeah, sorry, that was German. So yeah, oh my god is actually quite similar to oh my, like, oh my god is the English version, and oh my god is the German version. Learning Julia with German, yes. Learning German with Julia. Okay. So yeah, they are moving and swirling. They're really cute. Oh, they're super lightweight. This is insane. And I bet around the, like, when some time has passed, I won't feel them at all. Let's get to the last one, the heaviest ones. I'm really excited for them actually. Yes, they're heavier, but they're super pretty. I'm sorry when I'm again not looking into the camera, but like, excuse me. This is. I'm speechless. Oh wow. They're also quite heavy. But not as heavy as expected, so I think if I'm gonna wear them all day long, I will forget that they are there. Except when they bounce against my bones here, but anyway. Wow! This is so cool. I really like this, and this is... oh. I'm in love. I'm in love. And I'm crazy. Anyway. This is my new therapy, I guess. Yes, anyway. Pictures with them will follow, like, definitely. I can't wait to show you how they can look with, like, proper styling. This is just something. So, yes. They're super pretty. I love this. I love this so much. Crazy. So yeah, thank you very much for watching my teeny tiny video. Again, this is my first time making something like this at all, because I've never done this before. I don't know how to do like unboxing or unpackaging videos, and I'm also really sorry for the quality right now, because I'm filming this right now with my phone, and the only light I have is my new lamp. She's huge, she big, but I think it's a quite nice lighting. No, just don't take me serious. I think it's really nice light. Maybe I just keep it like this, because I've ordered like a ring light. Let's see how this is working, and no matter what I prefer, I think I would just use this one. So yeah, if you don't like this lighting, just no worries, I'm probably gonna change it. So yeah, just so you know, I've really enjoyed doing this, and as soon as I get my other package from Woodland Shrine, we're gonna make this again as well. And if you have any tips or tricks for me, like do this stuff, just tell me, because I have no idea how to do this. I'm a baby when it comes to proper YouTube stuff. But yeah, alright, thank you very much. Welcome to my TED Talk. And yeah. Bye.